Steven Universe Gem Lore Guide. Have you ever wondered what happens when a gem gets trapped inside a bubble? Well, that's what we call bubbling in Steven Universe. It's a way for gems to contain others without hurting them. Imagine encasing someone in a clear, shiny bubble that keeps them safe and still. That's bubbling in a nutshell. When a gem is bubbled, they are basically frozen in time, unable to move or act. The bubble acts like a prison, but it's also a way to protect both the gem and others from harm. The bubble is made by a gem using special magic or technology, and it's usually translucent and durable. The size of the bubble depends on the gem creating it. Some bubbles are small enough to hold a single gem, while others can contain multiple gems or even large threats. The bubbles can be strong enough to withstand attacks, especially if created by powerful gems. For example, Pink Steven's faceted bubble is known to be very tough and can resist attacks from strong enemies. Different gems have different bubble styles. Some, like Pearl, create weaker bubbles that can be broken easily, while others, like Pink Steven, make bubbles that are nearly unbreakable. Bubbling is often used to neutralize enemies or to prevent a gem from causing destruction. It's a non-lethal way to handle dangerous situations. For instance, the crystal gems bubbled the cluster, a huge mass of fused gem shards, to keep it from destroying the planet. They bubbled the cluster multiple times, each time trapping parts of it, which shows how effective bubbling can be against even the biggest threats. Bubbling isn't just about safety. It also has emotional and story significance. Pink Diamond bubbled many rose quartz gems and kept them in what looked like a zoo. These gems were held captive for thousands of years until Steven helped free them. This shows how bubbling can be used for long-term imprisonment, raising questions about control and freedom. In real life, bubbling is a way for gems to manage conflict without permanent damage. It's also a method to preserve individuals for later or to imprison those who are considered dangerous or traitorous. So, in Steven Universe, bubbling is more than just trapping a gem. It's a strategic, protective, and sometimes emotional tool that shapes the story and the lore of the gems. The bubbles come in different strengths and styles, and they play a big role in how conflicts unfold and how characters grow.